Can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of.
We are back. So, who is getting hot? It's getting hot in here. Alright, so right now I'm just blending. And I wish I had my lashes done, but I don't get my lashes done until next week. I've been on like a lash detox. I haven't had my lashes done in months. Like, you start to feel like, oh, I'm not cute without lashes and stuff like that. But in all reality, your face just got used to it. Like, I had to let my lashes grow back because they were very much balding. Very much balding. And I was like, I cannot do this. And I'm so mad because, y'all, let me show y'all. I went to Target the other day and I bought a lip liner. And I don't know why I didn't think to like look to see if it had like a, you know, the protective wrap around it. Y'all, why does lip liner look like somebody scrubbed their lip on it? Look at this. You can't tell me this was not used. But look at that. It's literally scrubbed down. So I have not used this at all. Look at that. Let me know if I'm tripping because this didn't have no like, it didn't have no like little wrap around it. It didn't say tester, none of that. Like, so that has not touched my lip at all. So I just been doing like the little lip liner. And y'all, I've been mascaraing it out. Like, my lashes have gotten so long. It's 11:52. Look at her. Look, yeah, you. Look at you. Like, she wants to be in my skin, literally. Look at her. What's the goal? Like what the is bake? Like, what are y'all talking about? Testing me. Leave me alone. And then when it's like, it's focused, but now I look bright. There's no green lights here. Like, my bathroom lighting is not that daggone bright. Y'all don't know what scent I want to wear today. I usually go with my Miss Dior or my YSL. I don't know. Or even my, I love this scent. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all my full outfit once I get down to the mirror. So, 12:22. I still have enough time. Like, it's 5 minutes away from my house, so enough time. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear my hair out behind my head, and I still don't know what kind of shoes I want to put on, because this is kind of like dressy, but not really, because I'm really chilling. And I got these jeans on. I don't know if I'm wearing my Balenciagas or wear my Dunks, because I know I'm probably wear a sneaker, so we don't know. I don't know. I'll show y'all though when I figure it out. Okay, y'all, so here's the outfit. I went for like super chill but cute. Got on some baggy jeans. These are from Levi's. My top, I think, is from Shein. And my jacket is from Zara. And I think I'm gonna throw on this sneaker. I don't know how I feel about it though. I don't know. I'm gonna throw on this sneaker and see what it's giving. I think the sneaker like kind of neutralizes it, make it like, so it's like, okay, she's not dressing all the way up. She's chilling, but she still looks cute. So we're gonna see. But I really like this outfit. It's really cute. It is currently 12:50. I have 10 minutes to be there. I'm 5 minutes away. Get there at 12:55. I should have grabbed me something to drink. I'm really thirsty. But I'm excited to see what this class has in store. We'll give you guys a review.
Boy, nobody like you do.
My first class I took was a silk press class. It was a silk press and a color course class. And this is gonna be my second class that I take, and it's a hair cutting class. So we're gonna see. So y'all, I'm pulling up. So y'all, we are finally here. I don't see the name of the place, but I see a few different shops here, so it's probably down there. So I'm gonna walk down and look.
Oh, listen, wait, me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take me 'cause you know I like it. Making up a day for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We can do talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you right. Take me for a ride, show me your outside. Know it's been a while.
So we are back from the class. The class was really good. I actually enjoyed it a lot. I definitely learned a lot of stuff. Even more than just the actual hair cutting itself. I learned a lot of stuff, and I actually enjoyed it. So I definitely give that class a 10 out of 10. She was really sweet, really nice. It felt like, it didn't really feel like, you know, like instructing like this, that, that. No, it felt more like homegirl, like, you know? So I definitely enjoyed the class a lot. So now I'm on my way back home. I'm trying to look and try to find me some outfits, trying to order something online, because I feel like I got outfits, but I don't have outfits. Like, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. So we're gonna try to figure that out tonight. I'm gonna see y'all. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all, but I'm gonna see y'all. And if I don't, thank you guys for watching my vlog. Today has been a very great day. Very, what's the word? Productive? Yeah. Make sure y'all tune in into my other YouTube video. So I will see y'all in my next video. I love y'all so much. You gotta see it in person.